Hello and welcome to this short video of actual FunnelKit demonstration. So in this video, I'm going to show you what exactly you are going to be promoting. Now, over the last few months, we've been working very hard on FunnelKit, and actually we're still working on it. This very second that I'm talking with you, we're still working with the developer team to actually make FunnelKit even better. Now we're just implementing a lot of new functions because we have well over 20 beta testers on board that are testing every single feature of FunnelKit, so everything works flawlessly, and we are bringing the top-notch product for you to promote for your customers. Now, before we begin, I just want to say that since we are doing a lot of implementations, a lot of changes to the plugin, you may not see, I'm not giving you the most up-to-date version here. I'm not showing the most up-to-date version, but I'm gonna go over the main functions of FunnelKit so you get the idea how it works. But before the launch, we're going to implement so many new changes, so many new features. We're just getting a lot of feedback from our beta testers, and we're just implementing new things every single day. So I cannot make a video about FunnelKit every single day, but hopefully you will get an idea about what this is, and if you want to test it out for yourself, just shoot me an email or Skype message or Facebook message, and I'm gonna give you a GV access so you can check it out for yourself. But keep in mind that we're changing a lot of things here. So let's begin. As you can see, we have a simple yet very friendly, user-friendly interface. Now, everything is divided into 6 steps to actually, create killer squeeze pages. Now, even we have beta testers that haven't used WordPress and haven't used any other plugins ever before. Not to mention, they haven't created a single, lead capture page or sales page before. But with FunnelKit, they were able to create stunning looking pages in a matter of minutes. So as you can see, first step is we need to select the page background. Now, if you know my previous plugin GeoOpt-in, basically it uses Google Maps as the background image, and you can either use a specific point. For example, if you want to target, if you want to display Las Vegas in the background, you can do that. Or if you want to show dynamic location, that means that when a visitor comes from a specific town, for example me, it will show Lithuania in the background. For example, if you're living in States, it will show your city in the background. So this is a really cool function. So for the background, you can choose either image, those guru style images. If you would click on that, you get options to choose the image. You can have all sorts of different options like aligning the image, stretching the image. Like I've mentioned before, you can choose whether you want to have a road view or satellite view for the background, the Google Maps. You can have a solid color, the gradient, and the video. We can actually, we've implemented this feature that you can actually have a YouTube video playing in the background, and that's really cool. Now, so let's select the background image, or for example, let's select satellite and road view. Let's go for the road view, so it will show my city in the background. So let's click next, and we're taken to the next step. Now, next step is the main container. This is actually what you are going to be, the actual squeeze page form, the main container of the squeeze page. So you can choose whether you want to have it full width or fixed width. In this example, I'm going to go for the fixed width, and let's make a form 800 pixels wide. Now, padding, this is a corner around, if you can say that, corner around the main layout. Now, all of these changes, all of these parameters, we have a video course where we explain it all, where we explain how everything works, what every parameter does, and how you can configure the page so it looks like exactly how you want it. Now, we have a lot of options, like you can make round borders, you can center the form, you can have it on the right, on the left, you can have it as on top of the page, at center of the page. We had those on, we have all of these options. So I don't want to go into the technical details. I just want you to actually see how this plugin works. So once we create our main container, we click next, And now we can insert our autoresponder form where we can customize it. So for example, if you're not using Aweber GetResponse or any other leading email service marketing providers, you can, if you're using, for example, GDO or SendReach, that, those autoresponders don't actually give you the ability to create web forms, to create beautiful web forms. So we have this covered. If you would click Enable Custom Styles, you can customize your web form. So, it doesn't matter what autoresponder you're coming from, like Imnica Mail, MailChimp, AllContact, eBusyC, all of those autoresponders. If you have a form code, you can insert it here and you can customize it so it looks beautiful. We have a pre-made button gallery of, well over 150 different buttons. So, we have it. So it's really easy to create forms with this. Now, step 4 is our drag and drop builder. So you can actually grab the content. For example, you want to insert the opt-in form, you just grab it and insert it. Now, don't mind the text at the bottom. This is just for developing purposes. We have a debug. Like I've said, developer team is still working on this plugin, very hard every single day. So we have, all these weird things actually going on in the FunnelKit back office right now. So, but basically you can grab things like I just grabbed the opt-in form. If I want to grab an image, I can insert an image. I can insert text. Then you can choose what image you want to go for. We are using we're using WordPress image editor, so it's really easy to actually do things like as you can see, I've inserted the image. If I want to go for some text, I just inserted a text tool, and I'm clicking this gear button and I can change text to anything I want. For example, FunnelKit demonstration. Now we're not actually creating a page, I'm just showing you. As you can see, FunnelKit demonstration. Now I can, just grab things and, delete them like this. So we have a drag and drop editor, so it makes extremely easy to create pages. Now, step 5 is a little cool feature that's called callouts. If we would enable callouts, we're giving some options and you can choose. Callouts are little SMS messages that will appear on your page. They're sort of the notifications, and, I'm going to show you in live how they work, and I'm sure that you're gonna love them. Now, these are insane conversion boosters. Whenever I use them, I just get a lot of I'm just bumping up my conversion rate. Now, step 6 is basically the last step of Page Creator, and this is just a final touch. So you can have a tracking code inserted, you can have a page name and the exit message. Now, we included something very cool. We've included an unblockable exit pop-up. So all of those pop-ups out there, they are very outdated. They're using JavaScript as their base. We're using jQuery, and jQuery is pretty much, it works on all browsers, which is really important. And you cannot block jQuery pop-ups. So we have it, you can include it, and I'm going to show you live exactly what I'm talking about. Now, I've created a couple of pages before this presentation. So if I would go here, I'm just going to refresh the page. So this is one of the pages that I've built with FunnelKit. Now, it looks really cool. At the bottom, you can see these are the callout message. They are appearing on timely basis. You can customize them. You can customize the color, the font, the text, how often they will appear, where they will appear, at the top right, at the top left, at the top bottom, wherever you want them, they will appear. So, these are little cool messages, they're like SMSs, and they just grab your attention. Now, this page, it took me probably like 4 minutes to put up. So, it's extremely easy and extremely quick to build pages with FunnelKit. Now, remember that, unblockable pop-up that I was talking about. So if I would try to close the page, I'm just going here to close the page. As you can see, we have a pop-up saying, wait, click the button below to download a free PDF report, how to make $100 in 10 minutes. And we have the download now button. So all of this content, all of the appearance of this little message, you can customize it here. If we go to step 6, exit message, we can specify the width, we can specify the background color, we can have any content that we want, we can include images, links, text, URLs, well, just about anything. It's just like a regular what you see, what you get editor. Now we have a little checkbox, box can be closed, and that means if you click elsewhere, box just collapses, and it will appear again when you try to close the page. So if you want to disable this feature, and you can check the box here that says box can be closed, and it will not allow the box, the box will stay there, it will not be closable. So if you will click anywhere, the box will just stay, and you will have to take action or leave the page. So again, this is a really cool feature, and that exit pops work, and they've been here for a while, but nowadays people don't really use them just because there are no technology and scripts to do so. So we walked an extra mile here, and we made sure that these work on all browsers, and they look anything that you want. It's like not a simple JavaScript form just that will pop up saying wait, stay on the page. So another cool feature that I want to show you, this, as you can see, I'm living in Vilnius, Lithuania, and it shows my city. I didn't have to do anything. What I did, I went here to step 1, I selected road view, and I selected dynamic. So what it did, FunnelKit, what it did, it found my city by IP address, and it placed city right here. It will place on the right, so your visitors will definitely see their city in the background. And as you can see, we have all cool features like callouts, we have the exit message, everything works the same. I just changed the background. Now instead of a headline, you can say something, you can use variables to actually increase the trust. So for example, you can say something like how you can make $100 within 48 hours in Vilnius. You can have the variable of the city by IP address in your headline. Or for example, you can have something like this system is available for residents of Vilnius, and you don't have to insert the city. The script, FunnelKit will do that for you. It will determine the city by IP address, and it will put it in the headline. So basically you can create pages for pretty much any niche. If you're doing some local marketing, this is extremely powerful, because if you're working, for example, me in Lithuania, I've tried selling SEO services for local businesses, and it worked out great, because instead of just having a site saying we are providing SEO services in Lithuania, what I did, I created a page with FunnelKit, and it said we are providing services, SEO services for local businesses that and I had the city. So everyone who visited my page from Lithuania, we're providing SEO services in Klaipėda or Kaunas or Vilnius. Those are the city of Lithuania. So that automatically increases the trust. They feel that this page and this system, they're lucky because they found something that is specific to them. So again, all of this, they are crazy conversion boosters, and FunnelKit allows you to do that. Now as you can see, everything comes in very simple manner. Now what we have few more tools. We have the view pages where you can actually import and export pages from FunnelKit. So just imagine if you are in let's say Empower Network team, and you promote FunnelKit to them. Now you can provide them the squeeze pages, just because they join your Empower Network team, or just because you want to stay in touch with them. You can create pages with FunnelKit in a matter of minutes, and you can export those pages by clicking the export button here, and give them the and you can give those pages so they can import into their FunnelKit and use it for their marketing purposes. So basically, this allows you to back up pages, change pages, exchange them, sell them, or do whatever you want with them. So a lot of cool features is being added right now as I'm talking. So if you want to check it out for yourself to see how everything looks like, just shoot me a message and I will arrange it for you. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know.